Hey guys, I decided I'm going to try to do Rosemary's $14 Dollar Tree Journal Challenge. I don't know if I can do it, to be honest with you. This is $14. My Dollar Tree sucks. Honest to God, it just sucks. So, they had this elastic. It says stretch lace, but it's elastic. So that's what I'm going to use to sew it in or adore it. I don't know yet how I'm going to do it. I bought index cards because I'm also doing the iCat a day. So can I just count like 25 cents and put something else in here? Anyway, I wanted to do a nature-themed botanical journal. My Dollar Tree sucks. I got 2 things of green ribbon. I got these just for in case I needed them because I couldn't find anything else. I bought these and I don't like them, but I'm going to try to pretty them up some. I'm going to try to do something with them. I bought these rub-ons. I kind of like these. I'll admit it, I like those. And I got these, which I don't like, but I'm going to try to figure out something I can use. And these, I don't like them. Then I got the kids' writing tablet for my paper. If I have to use paper. If I use paper. I watched her video, and she's saying the only thing she's going to use of hers is her glue and scissors. I was really hoping we could use paper. So I bought these file folders, and I don't know why I bought so many of them, but I did. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do is this is going to be the pages of my journal and the cover, and put these in between it. And then I got these to make tags and pockets, because it's the only floral thing they had in the whole freaking store. So that's my $14. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. I'm going to do my best. I really am. I'm assuming we can draw in them, because I'm going to have to. I just don't know, because I'm using a pen I didn't buy there. So yeah, I'm going to have to talk to Rosemary and see what in the world can I use, because I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But I'm going to try it. Hey, I'll do my best to make it as nice as I can, because I'll probably end up giving it away anyway. But yeah, I'm going to try. So I'll see you back here soon to start working on this as soon as I get everything cut up. Okay, see you soon. Wish me luck. Bye-bye.